Ruhonge rwa Kenya National Dialogue Forum mukana aria mararurungana thini wa mirurungano iria iratongorio ni mutongoria wa kiama la Umoja makiuga mirurungano ino niihete kamweke ikundi cia imaramari aria matigite andu makwite nangi aingi gutihagio na oho magatiga mamilioni ma indo cithukangite. Atongoria a kiama giki makihoya mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto kunanira jongoria wa kiama ni na maundu maria marathie na mbere makiria maokoro magithie na mbere na kuhinyiriria mu Kenya riri wira uremete kurutika ni undu wa mirurungano eno. Riri mirurungano yete na mbere kunyita thinga bururi-ini umuthi ari nduko ya gatatu kiama gia Kenya National Dialogue Forum nikete na imaramari iria ireigirania na arurungani na kunyarira muingi na makiria aruti ya biashara.
Hard stance taken by our political leaders, the violent nature of the demonstration, notably the actions of criminals and organized gangs, as well as the excessive use of security organs, is threatening the peace and security of the country.
Abubakar Fadhil niaugite grupu ici cia Ekinai itigite andu makwite amwe gutihagio na guthukangia mamiri cia muingi.
That the actions of criminal gangs that are now taking advantage of the current situation are risking the lives of innocent citizens. The same criminal gangs are distracting the nation from deep-seated grievances being expressed by the youth that need urgent attention. As a result, innocent Kenyans have been subjected to untold suffering. In addition, property worth hundreds of millions of shillings has been destroyed.
Ni moritie mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto kwaraniria na mutongoria wa Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga na ihenya oria kwahotekeka niguo kunina haro bururi-ini.
Remind and call our political leaders led by President William Samoei Ruto and Right Honorable Raila Odinga to demonstrate statesmanship to stop the suffering of Kenyans and end anxiety engulfing the country. This obligation must be reflected in their behavior, speech and action. Consequently, we call for an immediate, and I repeat, immediate cessation of hostilities and subsequent dialogue.
Ripoti yake ni nyitiro baru ni Ahmed Mohamed akiuga gutire maumirira monekanite na makauga mirurungano ni thiete na njira iria itagiriire.
There is no any other value addition that we are seeing out of the stance he has taken. So we are now appealing to him to do that kind of stand, because it is we whom he has been relying on for support in terms of the demonstrations. Now we are, because it has gone the wrong way.
Hassan wako ni arikiririe na kuga bururi wa Kenya uria woine na thayo na kwendana nduri horingi.
The good, nice country called Kenya is no dogs. We have to have it back. We have shown how to have it back through peace, through love, through unity.
Riu a Kenya matigitwo na kigiriko kinene ihoya riao ari atongoria aya eri gukorwo makiguithania niguo bururi ucokererie na biashara ihote guthie na mbere. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV njitikaga wa itherero wa Njoroge.